Maheikol, education at your fingertips.
Hello there students. Ngasi sarga noi ga punna nei namina ko topic aside it's about the blood vessels. So blood vessels haibase karino haibado ko khangdo nei. So sarna ngasi semiba modules da sarna ngasi prepare toriba topics da naina to blood vessel haibase kaino amasung blood vessel gi makhan sing da haibadi blood vessel makhal kya lai haibado madui matang da yam tenna naina minusika. So ahan bada akoina wari matam lila ke sarna ko akoina jagam da jagam da we used bicycle. Jagam da ko chat nabai da mata kaisi nai okay bicycle sine ai yum se lai riba yum se da ya na school chat ke haba matam da or ai friend cycle se ke matam da sometime we used to transport means ke sine bicycle sine natra sometimes okay ke sine ba jawi bus sine ba jawi natra ke sine ba jawi car sine ba jawi in order to transport from one place to another place jagam da gina jagam da chatok chasin to na bai da makta koi difference means of transport okay car adu sizinai chap manai haksang da ju akoi chap manai haksang sida ju ko da jagam da chatpa ma darkar oi kari gina aina chari ba tumbalo ba chinjak phangduni horen digested food tumbalo ba chinjak se adai hormone se oxygen gas se carbon dioxide se pura mak se loina sin batungna cells organs tissue loina mak da yen thok pipa ma darkar oi haksang da ju chap manana aduna akoi da ngarang tamkhiba heart chene ka dono mai mathau se keno is a sin matuna loina chai thok piba pam tongna ba ja mahak na ne yum da building da ra ga na koi gi ising chi thong chin to ra ga mathak ma story myam lei ba do akoi yum da lei ba tulu water pump na tawi da na ko puthok pusi sumai do na heart na su is a loina jela to ne so is the nasagi various nutrients minerals oxygen carbon dioxide mana muk loina pura chatune pura ga chakadoriba poto madubo kana no har kana di blood vessels da pura chatune yare ko so akoi mi ba da so hari ba masigi aina sida uliba angang ba amasung blue machu ge aina sana sida uli se this are nothing mi ba yawa blood vessels ne makoi se yamna sangi prithvi se ahum thongna yat pa yayena adamaina scientist sing na hainai ko adubu high blood vessels ya akoina kya thona khaido kani da ahum thona khaido kani ko heart gi body part tamne yen thokadori ba adugumba blood vessels to madubu kari haina ko ge ba matam da koina arteries haina ko yereko arteries are blood vessels that carry blood from heart to body parts tamne yen thok pigadori bado yereko aduna hariba artery hariba blood vessels di magi walls thigh magi walls okay magi walls the wall of the arteries are very thick karigina maramdi heart gi is a kanna body part sin mutuna matak ta makada nakanda loina yen thopi makanna is ilakadavana maram oraga the walls of the arteries are thick there yareko hariba mathangi blood vessels na kanano haibakanda veins next masagi blue machu yauri basina sana represent orisina veins haibadune bugo so veins haibase kanano veins haibase blood vessel ni mana body part gi lo imna khomkala kanda heart tamna pubira kadaba blood vessels tuna akoina veins haina kaurani ba haiba veins ki magi wall de mu pipe so there are so many comparison points myamama lai madu dai sana one tip points myamma sema ga italake sana hapet briefing to buni ko aduga sida uriba macha mayam se makoi buna koina kari haina khangna ka dage har kan koina capillaries ana kawi ko adu samlapa ma khangamani hakchang ne yauriba blood vessels kya thona khaido eba yes ahum thona khaido I kana no artery mayam hai ge khaido ba arteries vein mayam hai ge khaido ba veins arteries veins capillaries haidana blood vessel makal ahum thona khaido kani ko yani ko ji karmaina transport to yo hairiba masigi artery na hoji yenthore heart sin yenthore body part sin bathuna loni yenthore sida yo urangani to oxygen ina blood sin pura lai bra sigi blood vessels da blood chelaga pura lai ji kana yenthopira me to oxygen pure yareko aduga not only oxygen atopa nutrients myama mazu minerals myama mazu loina distribute the blood will distribute all the nutrients hormones gas etc to various organ or cells in the loina tamna pubi rakadone. So heart agina body parts tamna pubi ba blood vessels to madubu kana hana ka weba sana do arteries neba. Yeah, aduga sana no kada kare haiba veins blue machu gi sine ko veins size. So that represent or represent veins hana kana kai no veins adi ka do ba yes body part agi heart tamna pora kadobani bako. So veins di mako gi wall do supai at the same time mako di yam important oiba valve haibado yawe. Masi kana de valve kana de yaude artery di yawe ko kana de yaude ba veins de yaude ba. Valve ki mathau di khangamani chakki badi yaba tholopadi ka do ba yada badune natra. So next akoina khange blood vessels e makal kya le arteries veins haiba malai natra. Next is capillaries. So capillaries again, they are the extremely narrow tube blood vessels. Yamna kuba ka makunji yamna kuba that lies between the arteries and the vein. Here go artery ka veins ingi marakta su laiba aduga organs in the cells in the su loina distribute toraga yawba dugumlaba yam extremely narrow tube blood vessels bu kari hana khangne ba capillaries hana khangne. So samla pa ma khanga bani na hojek sar points maru ba points matang idara ke amu yeng si ko. So today's topic is blood vessels. Yesterday we have discussed about heart ko koi heart ki matang da human heart ki matang da nagre ngasina blood vessels. So akoi transportations in human being they are is a han mada heart laire ani subadana blood vessels aduga ahum subadana blood haibaje lagtune ko. So ngarang koi heart ne nagre ngasina blood vessels e ngasi. So blood vessels haibaje karino haibaje sana na koide yam line na khangna ba dabakta sana point even ko. So blood vessels ki am first point the yeng say blood vessels haibaje da long elastic muscular tube that carry blood from heart to body parts and back to heart haibane. So akoi gi hakchang sida yamna asang ba elastic su oiba haibadi sumaina yaure ko yam sang ba aduga sigi potcha masi elastic su oiba haibadi sumaina su chingthokpa yani ba sigi pot somna khanda okay easy kana chela matam aduna elastic su oiba adugumlaba yam su sang ba adugumba tube neba kaidudeba that will carry blood e pudune ba ko kari pudune ba blood neba sida pudoise e chain doine e chain doine e chain karai bu chain doba from heart to body parts. Okay heart gina body part tam e chain doba amuk su halaktoiba karai daga body part tamna body part gina heart tamna musu porakadoiba aduna adugulaba haksang da yauriba yamna sanglaba tube kari pubidoiba e pubidoiba elastic oiba yamna sangba tube mama yauriba e pubiraga chakadoriba karai dagina heart gina body parts tamna body part gina mukai tamna halaktoiba heart tamna pothok pusin tawgodoriba adugulaba yamna sangna leiraba muscular oiba tube tubu kari hana kaweba blood vessels hana kaweba. Understand the word? So blood vessels are the long elastic muscular tube that will carry the blood from heart to body parts and back to heart neba heart and namu porakadone. Yaradra. Okay, next point emo yegase. Hairiba hakchang manung do yauriba blood vessels sing se kya thona khaido ke agibu ohum thona khaido pa yai ko. Blood vessels are how many kinds or how many types? It is of 3 types. Kari kaina ahamada arteries ani subada kari veins ahum subada kari capillaries ana sumaina makal je kya thona khade ahum thona arteries veins capillaries ana sumaina ahum thona nai ne khangadra adana akoina ahamadi hanamada yengase artery haiba je kana no haiba yereko arteries ama khatang haige di kamai to kamai hai do ba artery hai ni yereko mayam haige di kai do ba arteries manade moharaka niko chap manai bani amana singular amana plural. So ahamada yengasi artery hariba blood vessels kanano artery hariba blood vessels they are the blood vessels that carries blood easy pupidene sasi mutake yengse ko muthalaga yengse so arteries haibase kanano hana yengbo matamda arteries are blood vessels makoi se blood vessels arteries haibase blood vessel ni tawadabu heart gina body part tamna okay heart gina kai tamna body part tamna heart gina body part tamna pubigidoriba blood vessels to madu kanano haiba matamda kana kawarne arteries kawarne so arteries carry blood from heart to body parts p ama hinjale ko next amu yengase arteries hari base makoi se kaidawi they carry oxygen rich blood so as we know heart gi pugoda body part tamna pugoda easy kaidawa oxygen yawa e oirne hadi oxygen rich over blood that means oxygen yawa e do purane ba aduna artery da karma makhal gi e puge hana hang ma to kaidawne oxygen yawa e kai ko ya oxygenated blood putune ko next point yango they have a thick wall artery ki wall se kai dawe ba mokhoi ki wall se yamna thaga ne they have thick wall yare ko so next point number 4 the yango artery ki blood sing do moi chele blood sing do are emerging under high pressure so the seeing the safu do kana chain kai no the body part sin butuna yen thora ka na heart na ilaba matam da pugoda singli do madu thick thazu tharani at the same time idu kana chain maramdi magi artery ki lumen je hadi masigi si arau base ko masigi lumen je khui yare ko sigi lumen je khui madam igi sapu jam kana chele so blood are emerging under high pressure yare ko so next last point of the artery the valves are absent so artery the valves yaude khoi ngang khangre valves di keno it's to prevent backflow of blood e maning hala chen ge da madu ngak thu pinaba khulai heta ni ko aduguma valve to high arteries di yaude you got my point amuka recap to usiko artery have is keno blood vessel ni heart gina body part tamna e pugodoriba first point ado hariba artery pugodoriba blood se masika yawe masana do oxygen rich oil have the oxygenated blood ne ma pur so artery the chele be easily ke daweba oxygen rich blood ne next artery ki wall ke daweba makoi kisi ki wall ke daweba they have a thick wall because kadona they have to send the blood to all parts of the body natra adu lumen jo pick pone ke dawa the blood are emerging under high pressure e gi safu do yam kana chele ko last artery manung the valve yaubra yaude sima khanga da so next amu yeng si next kana no veins vein na kamai to ge hai to mu yeng si ko veins hai base blood vessel ni to go mana pu go do ba ease kadai de no bu mangi na mu body part gi oy ni ko yeng se body parts gina kai tamna pudoiba heart tamna purani you got my point so adugumba blood vessels body parts gina heart tamna pubigoba adugumla ba blood vessels na kari kawe ba sana ba veins kawe adu body part gi pukhala pa idi sengadra senglaroi adu tadi kari yamani carbon dioxide rich blood or many that means deoxygenated blood pur amani yare ko next makoi ki wall do haibadi artery ki magi sigi wall je magi na mukhara pagani okay artery ki wall ke done pane so they have thin wall makoi ki wall je pai they have thin wall adu veins tadi ke dawi pare artery tadi ke dawi artery ke tadi ke dawi they have a thick wall to veins tadi they have thin wall yare ko next amu ye ga sei when the blood are emerging under low pressure adi magi lumen do khara chawrabane wider oirabani na e gi safu do khara pick na chatle ko e safu do khara tap thaye handaye ba yani ko next veins ta valve yawi hai maram di e hala aga cherak pa yaroi ko valve yawrabani na so akoina khangdoi je ke na artery di valves yaude tawadabu veins di valve yawi hai sima khangani next last type of blood vessels ta kana laire capillary size ko so capillary saiba adugumlaba blood vessels di makoi di yam extremely narrow tube ne haidi magi makhunji yam satina ubada wa ba yam satina ku papa ba adugumla blood vessels ni so sana kamai na pire they are thin wall with extremely narrow tips yamna makhunda yamna pikpa adungumla blood vessels ne at the same time which are occur makhoi ka yong they are occur hierarchy they are occur at the terminals of arteries and veins so arteries nga veins singa makhoi singi marakta yamna kuppa singni nawi cheliba singja madum sing du deba khona capillaries size so makhoi sing ke doba akhoi gi organ sing that tissue sing that yam rich oina yawi ko so capillaries has a let us recap again so capillaries are the blood vessels with a very extremely narrow tube which occur at the terminals of arteries and veins now next up, functions of capillaries capillary my mathau se kaino is for exchange for exchange of materials between blood and tissues. Here I go. Next up is to transport blood. So the function of capillaries is for exchange of materials between the blood and tissues and is also to transport the blood. You got my point? So, seeing a blood vessel, blood vessels, they are the long elastic muscular tubes that carries blood from heart to body parts and back to the heart nerve. How many types? 3 types: arteries, veins and capillaries. Here we go. So now blood vessels taki hangba yaba expected questions for your examinations amuye minersi ko sasing ne questions ta an first question is sana lokat kise what are blood vessels name the different types of blood vessels blood vessel hai basi kai no blood vessels sing makhal sing do kari no hai ba icha sing khang ngani blood vessels hai badi kai no blood vessels are long elastic tubes Natra, which carry blood from heart to body parts and back to the heart. Name the different types of blood vessels. The different types of blood vessels are arteries, veins, and capillaries. So question number 1 here go. So next question number 2 there write 3 points of differences between artery and veins. Artery and veins ke ya masiki kena ba point ahum khak EU. So, okay, tamana sana tapi bana sana point manga tapi bani. Ado exam da yama bada point ahum dagi kari so hangya lay deko. So, aham the first point de yang asi artery ke vein ke kena bahai rabina nana exam iba matam da zo. So, maina iba matam da artery ki kalam ana same gani bako. So, maina artery ki kalam ama vein ki kalam. Aduna exam da yam so biggest mistake amane in sana same to is ko. Artery ke veins ke kena bahai matam da arteries ana iba tare. Sida hali bas arteries. Some of the student ke da veins sida isan ko artery ne ko nahi madu lale madu yaad debo ko ado koi khang asi yeng asi artery habam lai rais the veins habam sikala mani sembirani ado artery point ahan bade kari hane ibe yai arteries are blood vessels which carry blood from heart to body parts yaad rado aduga magi namu kari haibe yai magi na kai no number 1 point da mana body parts ta gina kari tamna purok to no heart tamna porakadaba dumba igi patra blood vessels to name. So veins are the blood vessels that carry blood from body parts to heart nerve. First point khangani ko. So next point da koina khangba yari je magi dike dawi. Yes, point number 2 da magi point number 2 da kai have valves yaw dabra mangonda yawdi. So valves are kai doba absent hirani. Study ke darani valves yawi natra asida ibirani valves are kari hadaba present na irani yare ko kena ba ma haiba ngambra sarda ma hapsal lapu ngambra sarda ta ki basing dimar tam tairo kamai hai artery di blood are emerging under high pressure yada tuji yare nataga they have thick wall something they have thin mogi wall look at the pie sina wall look at the thai mona thick oil amana thin oil yare ko so mana kena baze next question number 3 there why arteries and veins have thick and thin wall artery ki wall na thariba amasung veins ki wall na pari se kari ginoi koi na sai tam gre artery ki wall thariba ki maram thick oil bi maram dei bloods are emerging under high pressure whereas veins ki wall di pai maram di kaya na because the blood are emerging under low pressure. Here we go. Next, question number 4, the last one. What are capillaries? Capillaries, hai basically no hai. Write one important function of it. Capillaries are extremely narrow tube blood vessels that lies between arteries and veins. Hai biyadra. Next, the important function is to stain the blood. Exchange of materials between blood and tissues. So, sigi maru eba question sigi marak tagi soidana examination da hangakani sisi ma'am se fasana yengjin ba machangani ko. Okay. So the last topic is transportation in human being. The yaw is a heart. Next kanano blood vessels, and the last part is the blood. So blood hai basically no se mo yengazuko. So on the topic so we have blood. So blood as we kangi akoy kari gumama sopa pan makanda kadawi the blood ooze out. Have the easy lona thogla pangatani. Natra when there is wounds or cuts kari gumba hakchang the sopa matamda wounds sama sopa nata kuch kitang soki koki matamda the blood comes out, blood ooze out. Natra so blood kay machu oy amu bo ka nam hairoi chumra kay machu oy. Yes, kay machu oy red in color. Very good. So red in color what is madam se karigi no have matamda noi khange. It's due to the presence of hemoglobin pigment. Hemoglobin pigment yaw begini. Okay. Now, what is blood? Yang say blood high class 9 and when blood is a fluid connective tissue nerve. There you go. Mahini tissues me samaga loy connect or badumba connective tissues amaneba. Now, sana supire fluid that constantly circulates in our human body. Here we go. High masigi blood ki mathau se kari no ana ye mainly and even me am le me ai sana no litin na khangnawa sana even is no transport of gas. High with the oxygen gas, carbon dioxide putho pusin to pidu se kanana no blood na pobidoni. Natra nutrients me amama high with the when the chari but tumbol or digested food materials me amamazu say either amino acid, glucose, natra fatty acid, glycerol loina maximana mu putho pusin to pidoni at the same time palm the waste materials me amazu blood na transport to tosin to romana pobidoni. Now blood the yaw is kari no mu yang say blood the yaw was a kind of that part anika yawi plasma saru haibama amana blood cells natraga corpuscle ka so plasma is na mahi ki sarukni aduga cell da makal ahum yawe ko kana no matamda WBC haibama RBC haibama amana kana no platelets haibama ga yare ko so hakchang da yawriba blood da yawriba kana part ani yawe kana haba plasma ki saru haibama mana cells ki blood cells ki nata corpuscle ki so plasma is na amalai fluid part nahi mahi ki sarutuni hari masida kana kana yaudiba WBC okay amana kari RBC cell dama amana kari platelet haibasima si ohum sidaba yaudiba cells ki now sana noigo diagram da understand tona ba semba kunai ko model ni si WBC you know the white yauri things represent white blood cells. Get ko aduga red blood cells the yauri the uris blood yaw next up platelets masiki platelets ne ba nakoi class 10 da yauri ko 10 da maru oe ba sigi examination da hangal yeng si anasida amuk seme blood ta yauri ba cell makal ahum amasung plasma jina kaino yeng si plasma is blood tayawa mahi ki sarutani which contains water, ising yawi, nutrients yawi, iron, protein, amasong waste namag yawi ko. Aduga si masina kana yeng wakang man sai ta kharne sana RBC sini ko RBC cells hai do sini kariya WBC cells. Okay, last kana platelet sini ba class 10 ki exam dia se so platelet tang tak tamne sana blood lo yang tak ne ko khangna ba no more understand na bai da makta blood ta yaw ba cell makal ahum se sigi main differences hai amasu mai mathok sing de khangbam changi ba ko so blood ta yaw ba RBC cells hai masibu akoina magi mathok su kari no na nei ba matam da yes its function is to carry dissolve oxygen as well as carbon dioxide. Aduna sa ina sa namang da pangre ina loina ma oxygen gas carbon dioxide puthok pusin haidra so ida yawba kanana no na yeng matam da blood ta yawba RBC cells sing jena oirambe RBC cell da muk hemoglobin yawi maduna muk kari wen ke da blood se red color oheli bane yare ko next WBC so white blood cells natraga white blood corpuscle hairasu yare magi mathau ti kaino bu it's to fight against diseases level lena tina changa bukhona pose mana ngak thona bukhona ibo ko and the last one which is very important for your examination noi ki parikha da class 10 ki parikha da yam sati na maru oina jo hangan ba atai is the yaude ko sini ye main yaw ye san noi loina mak understand tawna ba platelets bu hena mu ta na khangna ba si myam tak lak pai wa ne sini noi parikha da yaude ji ko so noi ki larek te yaw platelet hai se kai na kari ora ma platelet are the blood cells makoi blood cell mane ada makoi mathau di kai no kanda clotting of the blood level easy nangjilaga phamjilaga sat men gi bodo here go so when there is cuts or when there is a wounds blood comes out blood ooze out continuously chumbra adum meda tholei bro su leite nga lega dum nangjilaga menjilaga dum phagi natra madu kana mathang nangjilaga phamjila ino haiba matam da hairiba platelet hairiba blood cells magi chap chap mai mathau ne so the function of the platelet is that it helped in clotting of blood clotting prevents loss of blood pressure from the site of injuries hairani yani ko magi roles ne magi pekhata khwai de hangale je magi kai ne basana ha magi role of platelet which is very important for your exam there you go so that's all for today thank you so much have a nice day thank you